Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OA level. Today we shall discuss question number 7 of paper 1 pure mathematics session by June 2023. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use the word my Topper Student. You will find the channel my Topper Student. For online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. For question number 7, part A, by first expanding cos theta plus sin theta square, find the three solution of the equation. Cos theta plus sin theta square equal to 1 for 0 less than theta, theta less than equal to pi. So first of all, we shall find out the solution for part A first. In the solution section, first of all, the given equation is cos theta plus sin theta whole square equal to 1 and the interval given is equal to 0 less than theta, theta less than equal to pi. By expanding the square of cos theta plus sin theta, after simplification we get 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 0 and sin theta cos theta equal to 0. So when sin theta equal to 0, we get theta equal to 0 and pi because sin theta is 0 when theta is equal to 0 and pi. On the other hand, when cos theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi by 2 in the interval. 0 less than theta, theta less than pi by 2. So the solution of the equation is theta equal to 0, pi by 2 and pi. For the part second, hence verify that the only solution of the equation cos theta plus sin theta equal to 1 for 0 less than theta, theta less than pi are 0 and pi by 2. Now we shall show that only there are two solutions 0 and pi by 2 for the equation cos theta plus sin theta equal to 1. So in the part second, as cos theta plus sin theta equal to 1 at theta equal to 0 as given in the question, but when we put theta equal to 0, after simplification we get 1 equal to 1. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Again at the second solution, which is equal to pi by 2, the left hand side equal to right hand side. So 0 and pi by 2 are the solution of the cos theta plus sin theta equal to 1. For part B, prove that the identity sin theta over cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta over cos theta minus sin theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 over 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now we shall prove the identity of part B. So in the solution section, first of all, we have left hand side is equal to sin theta over cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta over cos theta minus sin theta. By taking the LCM and after simplification we get sin theta plus cos theta minus into sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to over cos square theta minus sin square theta. As sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so we have cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 over cos square theta minus sin square theta. After simplification we get cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 over 1 minus 2 sin square theta, which is equal to right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side. For the part C, using the result of A second and B, solve the equation sin theta over cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta over cos theta minus sin theta equal to 2 into cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. For the interval 0 less than equal to theta, theta less than equal to pi. So we shall solve this equation by using the result from the part A second and part B. In the part C, as given sin theta over cos theta over cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta over cos theta minus sin theta equal to 2 into cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. So we shall use the part which we have solved earlier. By simplification we get cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 over 1 minus 2 sin square theta minus 2 into cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. One over 1 minus 2 sin square minus 2 into cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Putting the two parts equal to 0, we have 1 over 1 minus 2 sin square theta minus 2 equal to 0. After simplification, we get 4 sin square theta equal to 2 minus 1, and on the other side, we get cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. So in the next part, when 4 sine square theta equal to 1, after simplification we get sine theta equal to 1 by 2, and on the other side, from the part A, second part, we proved that cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0 for only for when theta equal to 0 and pi by 2. So on the other hand, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. The basic angle is alpha equal to sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin is positive in the first and in the fourth quadrant. So in this case, we have in the second quadrant we have theta equal to alpha minus pi minus alpha. After by putting the value of basic angle pi by 3, after simplification we get pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. And sin theta equal to minus 1 by 2 is out of range because the range is equal to 0 less than theta, theta less than pi by 2. So the solution is 0, pi by 6, pi by 2 and 5 pi by 6. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.